Hey everyone, today we are doing an unboxing and review on this new Umidigi G9 5G smartphone. This is a budget-friendly device that packs an impressive features and 5G capability. So let's open it up and see what it has to offer. And if you are not subscribed to my channel yet, I just wanted to ask you a quick favor to click the subscribe button below. I do a lot of DIY videos and product reviews. Also, if you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and let us know where you're watching from at the comment section below. Inside the box, you'll find your phone with a case and screen protector already built in. So you have a nice frosted case and you have the screen protector as well. So let me take this case out so you can see what's the color of the actual phone is. So this thing actually comes in two colors. One is space black, and this one that I'm holding right now is called lake green. So if you look here right now, it is really nice. You can actually use it without the case. So let me go ahead and remove this cover for the screen protector. So you can see right now it looks really nice. And also inside the box you'll see a USB-C to USB-C charging cable. And it also comes with a power adapter, which a lot of the flagship phone that you can buy now doesn't come with. A SIM tray ejector pin. And also your quick start guide. So let's look at the phone itself. Okay, so let me go remove this sticker here right now, because I'm not gonna need this anymore. This phone boasts a sleek and modern design, and the grip is actually very comfortable. So it feels solid, it feels durable, and just want to let you know I've been using Umidigi as my primary phone since 2020. I pass down my old phones to my kids as I upgrade to new ones, so I can say that these are very doable. This is my very first Umidigi phone. This is an S5 Pro that I purchased in 2020 and it still works. And also this is my current phone. This is an A15 that I purchased last year, and my son have an Umidigi G5. So right now we have two Umidigi that is actually in use. And once I switch to this phone, my old phone is gonna be passed down to my kid. If you look at the side, this actually have an ultra slim and light design. The side is only 7.9 millimeter and this is only 0.3 inches and it only weighs 189 grams. This phone is powered by Unisoc T765 processor. The processor is a mid-range 5G chip that was released early this year. So it comes with a 6GB of RAM plus an additional 6GB virtual extended memory. So it will give you a total of 12GB of memory when you need it. It also comes with 128 built-in storage that you can easily expand to 1TB by simply adding a micro SD card. If you read the specification of the phone, you will know that it is capable of delivering smooth performance for multitasking and gaming. Another thing that I really like about Umidigi phones is they all come with big battery. So this particular phone comes with 5000 mAh battery that is capable of 18 watts fast charging. This large battery ensures that you can enjoy extended usage without worrying about running out of juice for the day. And this particular phone comes delivered with Android 14. Before we talk about the camera, make sure to watch the full video as I will add some sample pictures and videos that I will take from this phone towards the end of this video. At the back of the phone, you're going to see a triple camera setup that can capture stunning photos and videos. So the main sensor is a 50 megapixel f1.8 lens. You also have a macro lens that is 2 megapixel f2.4 with a minimum focus of 40 millimeters, and it also comes with a 2 megapixel f2.4 depth camera. So that will give you those portrait-like pictures that you're looking for. The rear camera can record video up to 1080p at 30 frames per second. So the front camera right here, you won't really see it. It's very small right here. But this is actually an 8 megapixel f2.2 lens. And the front video can record up to 720p at 30 frames per second. The display is a large 6.75 inches with 90 Hz of refresh rate. It has a resolution of 1600 by 720 and a peak brightness of 450 nits. So this should give you a vibrant display and a great viewing experience while watching videos, browsing the web, and playing games. So at the top, you'll see that you have a 3.5mm audio jack and microphone right here. At the bottom will be your USB-C charging port, your speaker, and also a microphone on this side right here. To your right is your up and down volume button and your on-off button plus the fingerprint sensor. And to the left will be your express key right here that you can program for any app that you want. Plus you'll have a SIM tray right here. So let me open this thing. This SIM tray actually have a dual slot. So you can either put one SIM card, 2 SIM card, or a SIM card and a micro SD slot for your extra memory if you want to add more memory to it. So you just put this thing back right here and let's close it. So if you're looking for a budget-friendly smartphone that doesn't compromise on performance or features, the Umidigi G9 5G is definitely worth considering. Its impressive battery life, capable camera, and smooth performance will make a great choice for everyday users. I'll include the link to this product on the description below, and you can use that link if you want to help me out. Just want to let you know that using an affiliate link does not cost you anything extra. Amazon simply gives a small commission to its affiliates by sending people to their website. You can also support me by clicking on the like button and leaving a comment and subscribing to the channel. And again, thank you for watching.